Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Black Ops 6 and heading straight to Settings, then Display. You do this now because the only supported brightness control is the in-game slider. External tools won't change shader exposure reliably. Once in Display, pause and note HDR toggle and brightness slider locations. Make sure overlays like Discord or Steam are off, and confirm you're in full screen or borderless for the slider to reflect actual output. You'll adjust the slider next to set baseline exposure. You now move the brightness slider slowly while watching a mid-tone scene. Small steps matter because one notch can shift visibility. If HDR is on, open HDR calibration and follow on-screen targets to match peak whites without clipping. Once done, apply changes and immediately jump into gameplay for a realistic check. Run to shadowed and bright areas to confirm balance. If it feels off, return and tweak again. You want comfortable contrast without washed highlights. Finish by saving and restarting Black Ops 6 to make sure your chosen brightness persists. The game writes display prefs on exit, so you must confirm. If settings revert, run the game as administrator and temporarily disable cloud sync or profile overlays that may overwrite local configs. If the image still looks wrong, toggle HDR off, reset the brightness slider, and update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers often break in-game color handling. That quick see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.